Okay, children. So we will start with the. Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Children, we are doing now decimals. Yes, decimals. What we are learning? Compare and
order decimals.
compare and order decimals. So, Gautam, can you tell me to compare and order? First, what we will do? But we will start which step? First step?
Ma'am, we will make unlike decimal to like decimal.
Like decimals. Unlike decimals to like decimals. Okay. Adinath, can you tell me what is like decimals?
Ma'am, the decimals with same decimal places.
Same number of digits in the decimal place. Okay.
Decimal place.
And same number of decimal places. So first step, we will make the unlike decimals to like decimals. After that, Christo, what we will do? After making like decimals, then?
We will check the integral part.
Integral part, very good. The whole number part, or we can say the integral part. Okay. If they are same, then only we will compare the decimal part. Decimal part. In the decimal part, we will start with which place? Tens place. Okay. Tens place are same, then we will go to hundredth and
place.
and
If
thousand.
100th place
Okay,
is
so children,
1000.
I will ask one by one to read questions. We have children, we have completed. All of you, please take page number 66, workbook. Part 2 workbook, page number 66. We have completed 17 questions. Compare and order decimals. So we were discussing what we were doing to compare. First, we will make the decimals into like decimals. If the decimals are unlike decimals, we will convert them into like decimals. How we can convert, Devak, can you tell me how you can convert into like decimals?
By adding 0.
By adding zeros to the right side of the decimal. Yes, decimal. So after that, we will compare the integral part. Then we will, if the integral part same, then we will compare the decimal part. Okay, Deva, can you read question number 18? All of you, please take page number 66. We have completed till 17. Now we are going to start 18th one.
One student weighs 35.53 kg and another student weighs 35.532 kg. Which one is heavier than the other?
Which one is heavier than the other? Which is more? So we had to find out which one is larger. Yes. So what we had to do first one? First step is to make the decimals like decimals. So children, 5-3 has 2 decimal part and 532 has 3. So we have to add how many zeros? Only 1 0. Yes. So which is less or which is greater? 35.530, 35.532. Yes.
35.532 is greater.
So the another student is, the second student is heavier. Understood? Which is more? That one is, that boy is heavier. So we will write with steps. Okay, please take page number 66. Question number 18. Question number 18. So we can write the weight of the first student. The weight of the first student. This is only comparing in this lesson we are doing, only compare. So here we have to find out which is heavier. Heavier means which fraction or which decimal is greater. The weight of the first student. It is not written any name, so we can write weight of the first student and second student. Try to see that you have enough place to write. Make it smaller handwriting. So the first one is 35.53. Now next write is weight of the second student. Weight of Weight of the second student. Weight of the second student. Which is equal to 35.53. 35.532 kg, kilogram. So children, here itself you can write which is equal to 35.530 to convert that into like decimal. So children, now we can compare integral parts. Integral part are equal. Here it's 35, here it's 35. Integral parts are equal. So comparing decimal part. So if you have written any other steps, no problem. We can write comparing the 10th place, 100th place, comparing the 1000th place. We can write like that, or we can write comparing decimal places. What is that decimal place here? After here, we have 530. 530. And we have here, after the decimal point, we have 532. Yes? Comparing decimal places. 530 is less than 532. So we can write, so 35.532 is greater than 35.530. So the second student is heavier. So, or we can write therefore. We are writing the steps because this is a word problems. So here we are doing just comparison of decimal numbers. Therefore, the second student is heavier than the first. The second student is heavier than the first. So here the question is, which one is heavier? So we are just comparing which decimal number is greater. So which number is greater here? 35.532. So that student is heavier than the other one. So children, finish. So we have started from the weight of first student. How we have started? The weight of the first student. It is 35.53. So we can write directly there to convert that to like decimal, 35.530. Second step, weight of the second student, 35.532. Don't forget to place the decimal point. Okay, the decimal point should be clear. Here we have to write it here. 35 point. 35.532, 35 point, here we will place it here, 530. So integral parts are equal. Which is the integral part here? It is 35, here also it's 35. So we are comparing only the decimal part, 530, 532. So comparing the decimal part, 530 is less than 532. So 35.532 is greater than 35.530. So therefore, we can say that the second student is heavier than the first. Okay, next one. Angelina, can you read?
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 19.
Ali arranged 4 wooden boards of length 4.5 meter, 4.52 meter,
4.52.
and 4.505 meter from the longest to the shortest and vice versa. What are
Vice
Ali's
versa. Vice versa.
vice versa? What are Ali's orders of the board?
Yes. Okay. Yes, Richard, we can write instead of student A, student B, you can write like that. Okay. We can write these steps according to our language. No problem. Okay. So here the lengths Ali arrange 4 wooden boards. What is that? 4.5, 4.52, 4 and 4.505. What do you have to do? Longest to the shortest and vice versa. Vice versa means the opposite. Longest to shortest and shortest to longest. That is the meaning of vice versa. Okay. Ali arranged these wooden boards. What are the length given? 4.5, 4.52, 4 meter, 4.505 meter. We have how many boards? We have 4 boards. Then Ali arranged them from the longest to the shortest. Longest to the shortest. Okay, from descending order we can do, right? Then and vice versa. Vice versa means the opposite. From the longest to shortest, and he arranged from shortest to longest. Okay. What are Ali's orders of the boards? That is we had to do. So, Angelina, can you tell me first what we had to do to compare?
First, we should write the length of wooden boards, and we should make them to like decimals.
Like
Then we
decimals. So children, here 4.505 have maximum decimal digits. So how many decimals should be there?
3
3
decimals.
decimals. So children, 4 meter you have to, how you can make Diya? 4 meter, how you can make into decimal, like decimal 4 meter? Yes, Diya will say the answer. Again. 4 meter. How you can make it? 4 meter. How you can make? Yes, Fia.
Ma'am, we should add zeros.
Okay, tell me that adding zeros and tell me the answer.
4.000.
Yes.
4.000.
So children, here why we are adding 3 zeros? Because we have the maximum number in the decimal part is 3 digits. So that means all the numbers should have 3 digits in the decimal part. Okay, it's clear. So children, what we do? The length of the boards we can write first. Okay, all of you start writing question number 19.
Ma'am, this is arranging the decimals in the orders.
Yes. Longest to shortest. We will do. Longest to shortest means what will that?
Today we will finish that.
Yes.
Concept, right?
Yes, children, we will finish today. Question number 19. The lengths of 4 boards. We can to write the length of 4 boards. The length of 4 boards. The length of 4 boards are 4.5 meter, 4.52 meter, 4 meter, then 4.505 meter. 4.505 meter. So first step we will convert into like decimals. Convert the unlike decimals into convert the unlike decimals into like decimals. convert the unlike decimals into like decimals. So what we can write here, 4.5. Yes, Risha, can you say this like decimals? Look at the here. You can look at here and tell me. 4.00.
4.500.
Very good. Then the next one.
4.520.
4.520.
4.000.
00. Okay. Then
4.505.
4.505. So first step we have done. So here just we have written from the question the length of the four boards, 4.5, 4.52, 4 meter. So next step is what? Converting into like decimals. So convert the unlike decimals into like decimals we have done now. Now we have to compare the integral parts. What are the integral parts here? In all the numbers, it is 4. So they are equal. So what do you have to do next? You have to compare the decimal part. In decimal part, what we can do? We can compare the tens place. So comparing the 10th place, we can say 4.0 is the, then compare the 100th place. So children, we can write comparing the decimal part. Comparing the decimal part. Yes, Anandesh, are you there? Anandesh, I cannot see you. Okay, Manu, can you arrange this?
Yes, ma'am.
Comparing the decimal part. Can you say this in descending order? The first, you have to tell me.
4.505.
That is the biggest one.
Ma'am,
Compare first 10th place. So which is the smallest, you know, this is here 0. So that is the smallest one.
yes, ma'am.
Then comparing the 100th place. 100th place, here we have 0. Here we have 2. Here we have 0. Here again we have 0. So which is bigger?
4.520.
So we can comparing the decimal part. We have 4.52. Okay. That 0 we can write here, but in the question it's not that. So this is greater. Okay. Then
4.505.
yes, 4.505, because in the 1000th place we have 5. Here it is 0. Here also 0. This we have already finished. Then we have here 505. Okay, then look at here now these two numbers.
4.500.
4.500.
4.000.
Yes, 4.00. So now we will write according to the question it is given. Okay. In the question we don't have this 0, add this 0 or this 0. Okay. So we will write. So 4.52 is greater than 4.5. We are just writing the question from the question. Before we convert into like decimals, which is the question we have, like that we have to write 4.52 is greater than 4.505. That is greater than 4.5. In the question it is only till 5 and it is greater than 4. So we can say this is Ali's board, Ali's order of the boards. Therefore, Ali's order of the board is, therefore, Ali's order of the boards is Ali's order of the boards is, write the same 4.52 comma. Ali's order, we will write the numbers in the same, this descending order. 4.52 meter, 4.52 meter, comma, 4.505 meter, comma, 4.5 meter, then we have 4 meter.
Ma'am, can I mute?
Yes, yes. So children, here it is vice versa, it's also there, but if we see this order, that is from the largest or longest to shortest or shortest. So it is clear, it is, we can, from the smallest, we can read it as 4 meter to 4.5, 4.505, 4.52. So no need to write that again, okay? So children finished? So here the length of the first half we have written, the length of the, 1 minute. Question number 19. So children, first we have to write the question. The length of the 4 boards. The length of the 4 boards is given. It is 4.5 meter, 4.52, 4 meter, 4.505 meter. This is the length of the boards. Now Ali has to arrange this from longest to shortest. Okay, longest to shortest. That we have to do. So for that, first we are comparing, to convert, unlike decimals. To compare, our first step is to make them into like decimals. So that same question, 4.5 meter and all, we will convert into like decimals. What is that? 4.500, 500, then 4.520, 4.000. Then we have the last one, 4.505. Now comparing the integral parts are same. So that step we have not written. We have just started comparing the decimal part. So we have to arrange, or Ali has to arrange from longest to shortest. So we are writing from the greater one. That is from, that we are writing in the descending order. So which is greater we have written. So without the zeros, we are writing from the original question. 4.52 is greater than 4.505 is greater than 4.5, that is greater than 4. So this is the Ali's arrangement. Okay. Therefore, Ali's order of the boards is 4.52 meter, 4.505 meter, 4.5 meter and 4 meter. Okay. So that vice versa, that is clear from the question. We can arrange from the reverse order. It will be in the shortest to longest. Completed, children? Finished? Yes, Fia. Finished?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
can I leave the meeting and can I join in my phone?
Ah, okay, okay.
My mother's phone. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, children completed? Yes? Yes, I meant.
Ma'am, next question can I read?
That was your doubt. Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay,
and I
children.
have
Yes,
another doubt also.
I will make you read. Okay, before that, children, have you completed all of you? Please check it again and see
Yes,
that
ma'am.
Ayman is going to read question number 20. Okay. So, children, first of all, write that and you had to arrange. Look at the integral part and decimal part. Arrange in descending order. Only that much we have to do. Yes, Ayman. Read question number 20.
Kishan wrote down the lengths of a few sticks as 32.40 centimeter, 23.124 centimeter,
Yeah.
23.523 centimeter, and 65.763 centimeter. He arranged the sticks from the shortest to the longest. He also arranged them in the other way. Find the longest and shortest lengths of sticks.
Okay. Okay. Here also, children, the same like question number 19.
Ex-
Here we have
ma'am.
to write the other way also we will write and we have to
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, they asked to write from the longest to the shortest, and last line they again asked it.
No, that is not from the longest to shortest. It is you have to just write the first longest and
Shortest. Okay,
so you
ma'am.
have to write one only. Okay. The other one you have to arrange from shortest to smallest. Here we have to specify which is the longest and which is the shortest. So children,
ma'am.
the same question we can continue, same model. So length of the wooden sticks, which is given, we are going to write that. The length, question number 20. Children, it is page number 67. Page 67, question number 20. So the length of the wooden sticks are given. So we had to write that. The lengths of the wooden sticks. That is given. The lengths of the wooden sticks. So what are the lengths given? 32.40 centimeter, 32.40 centimeter, 23.124 centimeter, 23.523 centimeter, 523 centimeter. Please put the decimal point clearly, okay? 23.523 centimeter and 65.763 centimeter. 763 centimeter. So we have just written what is given. Now next what we will do, Ammu? Yes, Ammu?
Ma'am, we should make it like fractions.
Very good. We should arrange them into, we have to just convert into like decimals. So children, we
Ma'am,
can
I
write.
finished the
Converting.
question.
Okay, very good. Then check whether your answer is correct. Converting.
Okay, ma'am.
Converting unlike decimals into. Same like question number 19 we are writing. Converting unlike decimals to unlike decimals to like decimals. Yes, Anadesh, can you see this? Can you make this into like and tell me the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
How many? Check maximum. How many digits in the three?
Three
So
decimal
okay.
parts
So 32.400.
for 0.400.
32.400. Okay, then
23.124.
24. I think now all these have same
Ma'am, all are same.
digits.
I'm only 32.40.
Only one number we had to make into like. All others are like decimals. 65.63. Okay. Now comparing, here we had to see comparing the integral part and comparing the decimal part. Integral parts, which is the, children please see the, which is the, he also arranged them in the other way. He arranged the sticks from shortest to the longest. So we can write in the ascending order, shortest to longest.
Okay, ma'am.
So comparing the integral part, children, we can write here, comparing the integral part. Comparing the integral part, it is clear. So what we can write, 23, which is the smallest one? Yes, Anandesh? We have 223. Then we can compare the 10th place. So who can tell me here? Let me see. Yes, Alok. Tell me which is the smallest from here. We have 223. Unmute.
Ma'am, first one is the smaller.
Which one first?
23.124.
23.124. Comparing the integral part, 23.124. Here comparing the decimal part also here, because here we have 23 and 23. So comparing the integral part, and here in this question we have comparing the decimal part also. But we are just writing 23.124 is less than which is the next one? 23 point. Tell me the answer. 523. Yes, Chris Joe. Which is the next number? 23 point.
23.523.
523. After that?
32.40.
Yes, 32.400. Now we are writing with the like decimal. Then we will come back to the question. Okay, next one is 65.763.
65.763.
65.763. Okay. So we can write Kishan's arrangement is. So this is, after writing this, we will write without the, we have only one number, we have added 0. So only one number we had to change. All others are, they were like decimals. So here, children, we can write Kishan's arrangement there. Kishan's arrangement. (23.124, comma 23.523, 23.523, 32.400, then 65.760. So children, all these are in centimeter. Okay, you can write here centimeter. It is also here centimeter, here also centimeter. Here we will write the last number is 65.763 centimeter. Yes, Agne?
Ma'am, I read therefore Kishan's order of sticks are 20.
That also same, no problem. Kishan's arrangement. So children, here if you don't have place, no need to write. We have to write shortest stick and longest stick. That much is enough. Okay, that much is enough. Yes, Gautam.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, you also told to do it.
Arrange
Ma'am, you
other
also-
order. Yeah, arrange
ma'am.
other order. Yes, Gautam, that's what I told.
Yes, ma'am, it is written. He also arranging them in another way.
Another order. So if you have place, you can just write from the back. 65.763, 32.400, 23.523, 23.124.
If I have 1 point.
Do you have place?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we can write other. He also arranged them in the other way. In other way, we can write other way. or his arrangement in another way.
Ma'am, I
what
wrote,
is that?
excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I wrote shortest to the longest and longest to the shortest.
That also no problem.
Okay, ma'am.
32.400. Backward you can write 523, then 23.1.
23.124.
All these centimeter. Okay. Okay. Now next one we had to write shortest stick. Shortest stick. What is the measurement of shortest stick?
Ma'am, 23.124.
You can write shortest stick is the measurement is 23.124 centimeter. Okay, 23.124 centimeter. And the longest stick?
Longest stick 65.763.
Okay. Longest stick is 65.763 centimeter. Yes, children, completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we'll wind up the class now. We'll start in the next board, board number
Okay,
7.
ma'am.
Board 7, yes. So children, here
Okay, ma'am.
I will send the notes in the WhatsApp. If anyone has not completed, I will send the notes after this class. Okay, children, bye.
Bye,
ma'am. Bye.
3 minutes.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, bye, ma'am.
Board, we will join by the time in board 7. Okay, bye.
Bye.